Ustrasana, camel pose. Start with placing the hand on the hip and gently arch back. Stabilize your shoulder blades and slowly with control release your palms of your hip and try to reach for your heels. Use your back muscles to hold the posture, keeping your butt muscles tight. Take slow 5 deep breaths in this position. Now inhale, slowly place your hand on the hip, use your abdominal muscles and come back to the starting position. Rest on your heels, bring your forehead down and relax in child's pose.
Stretch your legs out, extend your legs, extend your spine, get comfortable, and then slowly fold your left leg in and bring your right leg over your left leg. Make sure you're sitting comfortably, the spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Now bring your left hand from behind you and then take the right hand and lock it with your left palm. Open out your chest and look up and breathe comfortably. You can stay in this pose for as long as you're comfortable holding this posture. And to come out of this posture, simply release the lock, stretch your hand up and bring it down. And now repeat the same thing on the other side. Bring your right foot in, bring your left foot over your right, and this time bring your right hand from underneath and the left hand from behind and lock. And then to come out of the posture, release the lock, stretch your hands to the sides and come down and slowly relax.